What's up guys, Annrai here. So in this video I'm going to share with you 3 Clay workflow you can start using right after this video to book more meetings. So if you're a founder or like a marketer at a tech or a marketing agency, you're probably getting bombarded with cold email every single day that you never answer or you barely even open, myself included. So if I check like my spam folder, like I got people pitching me SEO services, application ideas, it's usually SEO packages, like all sort of cold email. And it's very rare that I would open one of these cold email. But the thing is, cold email is still a really powerful channel if used correctly, if your emails are relevant and personalized enough. And this is the point of this video, is to use technology to make your email really stand out from your prospect inbox and get a better chance of booking more meetings. And this is something we've done more and more successfully. And once in a while, we'll even get like a cold email like answer of someone saying like, hey, this is an example, for example, recently. Hey, Annrai, first of all, like, thank you, congratulations. You're the very first person in 5 years to send me a cold email while having a rough idea of what legal bison does. So this is the point of using Clay, is to really like send cold emails that blows your prospect mind and just send stuff that they're not used to seeing every single day. And so if you're looking to work with an agency, in my opinion, well, from what I'm seeing, there's like 3 main type of agencies. You've got the high volume agency. So these people have got like lots of clients. They've got the best infrastructure because they're focusing everything on volume. And basically they're just thinking, hey, I got to reach out to 1,500 people to get you one meeting. So they just blast your TAM, which works, but it has some disadvantages, like it could hurt your brand's reputation. You've got the balanced agencies. I think this is where we stand, where we spend a bunch of time trying to really make the email relevant and well personalized, while still hitting a bunch of volume, because we know it's still important at the end of the day. You need to reach out to enough person to find someone who's ready to buy. And in the end, we've got like ultra niche agencies, and these are the people who spend crazy amounts of time building Clay workflow, only targeting people who are ultra qualified and trying to book like one meeting out of 10 person contacted. So now let me go straight to the point and basically show you what we're trying to do. So the first one is mentioning client's case study. This one works really well. So this is we've done for a client recently. This was sent this week. So basically what we're saying is, this client has a podcast agency, and we just, even though the offer is really good, we're still trying to add personalization to just make the email stand out a bit and make it like really unique. So what we're saying is, hey Annabelle, we can help you attract more customers like Schneider Electric by launching a podcast for your brand. Would you be open for a chat? And so let me show you the Clay table we use. So this is in the backend how it's working. So basically what we're doing is we imported the lead. We've got the person, and basically we're asking Clay to, the prompt is analyze the website and then look for a client's name or case study on their website. So it can be a logo, mention of a client, or a testimonial. And then output a sentence like this. We can help you attract more customers, like, and then we say like Revolut as an example, by launching a podcast for your brand. So basically we're saying like, hey, we've got this podcast services and it would help you to find new customers like basically the one you have already signed. And this is super powerful, and you can see in the, where was it? You can see in the answer, like this resulted in a book meeting. So thanks for email. I'll be open for a quick chat. So super simple email, personalized, relevant. Like this is exactly the type of cold email we like sending out because it just makes sense. And also we can see also from a results point of view, we're booking one meeting for every 250 to 3 person contacted, which is pretty solid. So let me put back that to full screen. So this is the first example. I'll put all of the prompt in the description below so you can use these. Second one is mentioning their marketing strategy. So this is one we've implemented pretty recently, and it works really well. And I think it's really good because I haven't seen much people doing this yet. Basically what we're doing is we're So I'm going to give you the example of the cold email we sent. Greeting Amis, notice you're offering free consultation to attract potential clients. If we could bring you qualified sales call using performance-based cold email, would you be open to a brief chat? Actually, before I finish this, maybe I need to show you the example of, so if we go back to Annabelle, the person where we mentioned Schneider Electric, what it's doing exactly, because I wasn't super clear on this. It's going to the website and assume I should be able to find, yeah, so you see it's finding here Schneider Electric, and this is why it's super personalized. Anyway, so going back to my example, we are basically in this clay table, we're asking if it can basically find their website technology, what they're doing marketing wise, so we can mention this to make our offer really good. So what we're asking is, so let me open this. So research the LinkedIn URL of the company and the website, identify if they're doing anything specific to find new clients. So hiring SDR, running ads, webinar, writing content, hosting events. Do not, also always put this, like, do not make internet research, because if it goes outside of the website and the LinkedIn, it start getting crazy and like finding information which does not belong to the website. And then we're always giving an example of how the output, we are always saying the structure of the output, and then we're putting the example. And basically that's what it done exactly. So if I check his website, I'm not sure it will be on the website, on the LinkedIn, but he should be offering like free consultation somewhere. Actually, we can check directly the reasoning behind. The information about offering free consultation as a way to attract new client was found on the official website. So if we go on the official website, it wasn't that one. If I go free, yeah, okay. That's actually right here. I'm stupid. Book a free consultation. So you see, like, this is how many people are sending an email about like mentioning the CTA of their website. None. And this is why if you use these tools, like right now, as not much people are doing this, you're getting like a really good chance of outperforming your competitors, at least on the cold email acquisition side. So this is for that one. And for the last one, this is a super simple one. We mentioned their offer. So what we say is, hey Jan, it seems like you help growing businesses with IT support and custom software development. If we can help you generate qualified sales calls with more growing businesses looking to unlock their potential in technology, would you be open for a quick discussion? Like here, this part, I think it's not amazing, but otherwise we're like basically we're stating what they're doing in terms of business, and then we're saying with what type of people we could connect them, and saying how, like, we're saying we can connect you with people who really match what you're offering. So like qualified leads basically, but instead of saying qualified leads, we're actually mentioning specifically for this website what a qualified lead would look like. And for this prompt, we're simply, yeah, so we're simply saying, it's a super simple one. It's like analyze the website to clearly identify their main value proposition and core audience in simple language. Then simply output precisely. It seems like So it seems like you help high-ticket company manage their IT services. So always the same. We're doing structure, example, output. We're putting a few rules. So you need to play with this a bit, and I always, run the first 10 columns to see if it looks clean. And if it doesn't, then you need to keep refining your prompt. Actually, in this clay table, which is pretty cool, and let me know if you'd like me to send it out. What we're doing is we're putting all of the prospect, and then we have like a conditional run, which basically it looks for the hardest like information to find, which is, I think, the marketing strategy. If there's nothing found about the marketing strategy, it's running the second most difficult prompt in terms of like gathering the information, which is finding the case study. And if still it doesn't find a case study, well, then it's running the last prompt, which is basically simply like looking at the website, saying what the people are doing and saying how we can help them out. And this will run for everyone, because everyone has a website, so it's super easy to do. And so you can see here example, like if I go back, well, anyway, you see like for one line, information 1 is not found, information 2 is not found, so 3 is running. But here, information 1 is found, so the second one and the third one is not going to run. And at the end, I've got one column, which basically only like takes one of the 3, the one which worked. So here, the column number, here the column numbers 2 worked. First one and third one, no information find, so we're just taking the second one basically. And so now inside my cold email, I can simply put like here, this is just like first line, and then everything is running. So if I go to my campaign, if I go here in sequence, like it's first line, that's it. And then the CTA, we're like putting, we're doing like spin tags just to make it more variable. And this is also like one of something like super powerful with the AI. It's changing the message for every single person. So we're getting everything in one because we're making our offer more relevant, more personalized, and we've got less chance of landing in spam because each of our copy keeps changing over time. So that's it for today. If you'd like us basically to just schedule a call with us so we could see if we could build anything like this for your company and help you really like seize this opportunity with outbound at the moment, feel free to reach out. We've got like super good results at the moment, and I'm sure we've got some results we could share you with a company who's in a similar industry as you. Otherwise, just stay around for the free value. See you.